such a different day today compared to yesterday. It's starting to rain now. Another wheelbarrow load went up there. We've dug back a couple more, we'll get rid of that.
Probably gonna have to do a fire soon.
Yeah, with the wood over there, yeah, definitely. Oh, here's our chickens. Hello, girls. Another egg today. Thank yous. Who's good, girls? Yeah. Very good. Happy Friday, everybody. You know, one of our chickens are laying an egg. Could be. Must be wanting to keep warm. You're having an egg? Well, I'll have a look when I come get ready to go home. Our chickens are making funny noises. I think Richie, dirty scruff. That wasn't the chicken, by the way, guys. That was Richie's arse.
It was the chicken.
Right. They're making funny noises, so I think they might be laying another egg today. We have done all that. Can you see how good that is? I've raked it and everything. We're still going back. We've only got a quarter of a way to do. Yeah, that's sorted. We need to get the beds out and fix them up. I'm hacky today. Right, wait, it's time to head home. I am drenched. I am absolutely, you can see, hacky black. Shouldn't wear white. Yeah, compared to yesterday, it was boiling, and today it is wet. Dear me. Do you want to say something, Richie?
Hi. No, it's still warm though.
Yeah, it's warm, but it's still like drenched. Yes, so I've done quite a bit today. Have a day off tomorrow and then come back on Sunday, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm going to go and give the chickens some more hay in their feed and some more water and stuff. So have a wonderful weekend, guys, from everyone from Bassie's Plot.
I think I'm starting to look like a farmer as well.
I don't think so, with a Chava hat on. No, you're not.
A Chava hat, how dare you?
Take care, everybody.
Bye.
I just want to show you a quick video of what cabbage is. Look how big they're growing compared to yesterday. Wow. That's cool, that. Carrots. All them growing. Yay! Excited. Happy Friday, everybody. Take care.